Manadu. Miigwech kakina keko. Thank you, Great Spirit. Thank you for everything. Zasakokwana, bakwejikan, zasakokwana, bakwejikan, la 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 la. You know, we've really done a lot of songs on this show. I know, huh? We should record an album. Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart. Come and love me, tell me your secrets. Oh, let's go back to the start. Running in circles, chasing our tails, heads on a science apart. Nobody said it was easy. It's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be this hard. Take me back to the start. Oh, that's really cool. Should I just do the intro? Yeah, go ahead. Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am BOOZHOO, and on the guitar, on the Gitojigan, the lovely and talented Natasha. Oh, yeah, pretty cool. You know, I was walking around town the other day. Yeah. And they had like BOOZHOO on the door. And then on the other door, it would say, welcome. And I'm like, okay, that's nice, but, you know, BOOZHOO doesn't mean welcome. Okay, anyway, take two. So, yeah. Uh-huh. Do-do-do-do-do-do. La-di-da. Ba-da-ba-ba. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. I said, welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. Niman Wenda, G-A-I-I, no Manugu. Hey everybody!
Welcome back to the show.
How you doing, baby?
Oh, I'm pretty good. How are you?
Not too bad. Hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana BOOZHOO, and this right here is Natasha. Little Geo is a friend of mine. We get some money and we buy a cheap wine. Sit on the corner and have a holiday. Hide the bottle when the cop goes by. Talk about women and lie. Whoa, my other world is only half a mile away. Ooh, 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 it's only half a mile away. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Don't you know it's just a half a mile away? Just. I thought we'd do something kind of different today. We got a letter from somebody, and they asked me, "Hey, can you teach us how to say a short prayer in Ojibwe? Something we can say every morning when we put out our tobacco." And so I was like, "Yeah, sure." So this here is a simple Ojibwe prayer that you can say. And for your kids, maybe you don't know this yet. You know, the elders, they tell us it's very good to get up before the sun and to put out your tobacco and to thank the Great Spirit for your life and for, you know, your blessings and that. So here's how you do it in Ojibwe. You can just say, you know, "BOOZHOO kitchi manadu." Hello, Great Spirit. Miigwech kakina geku ka iji chikean nungum. Thank you for everything that you do today. Miigwech ka iji webak. Thank you for the weather. Miigwech ka iji kak. Thank you for this day. And miigwech ka iji bimadazi yan. Thank you for my life. Aho, miigwech. And then put out your tobacco. So yeah, I don't know. That's what I usually say anyway. Welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. I said, welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. Demon waned on G-A-I-N, oh my new. Are you gonna sing?
Oh, yeah, okay. Welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. Demon Wyndham, G-A-I-N, oh my new.
Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, wow. Welcome to. Yeah. Oh, wow. Welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. I said, welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. Demon winged dog, G-A-I-N, oh my new. Oh, wow. You know what? That's going to be really good. We should do that again. Carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more.
Oh! Na 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 na.
So there you go. Maybe that's enough for a show today.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
All right, well then, let me just say thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha, and I will see you again. Gigawaba min. Minawa. Oh,
Once I rose above the noise and confusion, just to get a glimpse beyond this illusion.
I was soaring ever higher, but I flew too high. Though my eyes could see, I still was a blind man. Though my mind could think, I still was a madman.
I hear the voices when I'm dreaming.
I can hear them say, carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more.